Good morning, students. Today again we have to look at lesson number 4, the enemy. It is our fourth lecture so far as this chapter is concerned. So in homework, you will get self-evaluation test on the basis of lecture number 1, 2, 3, and it's your moral responsibility to sort it out and send, so that you should be able to judge where you people are. Now, just look at the basic assignments of today. So, I think in your previous learning sessions, you might have studied about the moral values in this particular chapter. Moral values, yani life skills. Because literature gives us very expensive knowledge, which is with us throughout our life. So I think life skill, so far as this chapter is concerned, number of moral values are there, and till this particular point we have studied many. And if we look at first, that is success is a journey, not a destination. Success is a journey, not a destination. So इसका मतलब I think you are crystal clear. If we are successful, we have to work in continuity to maintain our position. So second life skill, which is very important, we must be obedient to our elders, particularly of our parents. Dr. Sadao, आपने देखा होगा, number of examples are there. He used to follow the words of his father from the core of his heart. तो बेटा, आपको भी देखना कि आप अपने पेरेंट्स का कितना कहना मांगते हो, आप अपने एल्डर्स का कितना कहना मांगते हो. And the person who wants to be successful must be obedient to his or her parents. जिस बच्चे ने अपनी लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल होना है, पेरेंट्स, the second name of God, we should be very, very obedient to them. तो ये बच्चा जो था, Dr. Sadao, जब वो छोटा था, he used to follow every word of his father. So that is why he was able to get very fine position in his life. So I think you are crystal clear about that. अगर आपने ये वैल्यू यहाँ नहीं ली तो इस चैप्टर को पढ़ने का कोई फायदा. There is no use of studying this chapter. Maybe CBSE with one time marks are there, the question will be there, but you will not be able to get positivity in your attitude. यानी ये हम ये पॉइंट को देख ले, अगर सक्सेसफुल होते हैं उसके बाद ये ना सोचे कि चलो जी we have no requirement of hard work. और दूसरा पॉइंट, पेरेंट्स, we must respect our parents, we must follow the guidelines given by our parents. Just now look at today's basic assignment. I think two basic moral values are crystal clear. Dear students, these moral values are on the basis of our previous lectures. So what is the same chapter is concerned. So now just look at today's episodes. तो आज हम start करेंगे. We will be able to look at very interesting episode. We are beginning with very fine episode of this story. तो क्या है basically? Sadao and Hannah's marriage. Very, very interesting episode. So if we look at this particular point, मैंने कहा कि while he was 22-year-old, he was sent to Japan. 22-year-old में जब बच्चा 22-year-old होता है, जापान भेजना, सॉरी अमेरिका भेजना एक बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं होती. लेकिन उस टाइम पे अमेरिका और जापान जो थे एक दूसरे के दुश्मन. उस टाइम पे क्या आज भी they are not able to look at the things in positive order. तो वो ये सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था उनके फादर के सामने कि जब वो बच्चा 22-year-old हुआ था उसको अमेरिका भेजे या ना भेजे, क्योंकि ये आज भी इनकी आपस में दोनों कंट्रीज दे आर नॉट इन with fine relations if we look at. तो बात यहाँ पे आती है, तो भी उनके पापा ने देखा कि अमेरिका का एजुकेशन लेवल अच्छा है, तो अपने बेटे को वहां भेजे. नाउ जस्ट लुक एट द बेसिक एपिसोड. तो मैरिज, मैंने कहा ना कि he had spent 8 years in America, 22 to 30. लेकिन Hannah was able to meet very fine girl. So he liked that girl. The first time you must have studied in your previous lecture. लेकिन जब वो अपनी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करने के बाद he just came back to Japan. He shared that particular proposal or secret जो भी था with his father. And after getting consent from his father, after getting permission from his father, he was able to look at the next step. Just look at this point again. ये भी एक moral value दिखाता है. Last lecture में भी हमने पढ़ा था कि he liked the girl, but he waited to look at the basic community of that particular girl. उसको पता था कि अगर ये लड़की जापान से ना हुई, अमेरिका की हुई, his father will not tolerate. तो फादर जो है कभी भी इस रिलेशन को आगे बढ़ने नहीं देंगे. और साथ में एक और भी पॉइंट था कि मिक्स्ड कम्युनिटी से भी ना हो, कि मम्मी या जो बेटी जो लड़की थी है ना, मम्मी या पापा में से उनमें कोई भी ऐसा ना हो कि जो बेसिकली अमेरिकन हो. तो ऑटोमेटिकली 30 year, he was 30-year-old when he was able to take permission from his father. उसने अपने पापा से परमिशन लिया. He sought his father's permission for the approval of marriage. Then marriage solemnized, celebrated. वो शादी उनकी हो गया. तो कैसे शादी हुई? Should be able to look at the thing. It was organized in old Japanese way. तो ओल्ड जापानीज ट्रेडिशन थे, उसके हिसाब से उसकी जो थी मैरिज हुआ. तो आई थिंक क्रिस्टल क्लियर ऑफ अबाउट द बेसिक पॉइंट ऑफ द टुडे, यानी Dr. Sadao and Hannah's marriage. Automatically till the age of 30 he was waiting and waiting to get consent from his father. He had not taken any hasty decision. He had not done anything heedlessly. Heedlessly means carelessly. तो ऑटोमेटिकली जब वो वापस अपनी एजुकेशन जो है पूरी करने के बाद, while he was back in Japan, he was able to get permission from his father. Then marriage was solemnized and it was organized in old Japanese way. I think you are able to understand the basic value given in this particular point. Now look at the next point. Oh, Hannah was very fine girl, so that is why they were very happy. So I think they were just enjoying each and every moment of their life, even after so many years of their marriage. The reason behind that was both were made for each other. This was the basic point. Now, just look at the next point. You are I think noting down each and every point. Page 26. So far as your book NCERT is concerned, and I'm sure that you are with your pencils and registers and writing each and every point. So now, just look at the next step. जो आज का next point है, we have to look at. I think जब they were just enjoying, वो veranda में खड़े हुए थे, they were just enjoying their moments. Then what had happened? Sadao and Hannah who get leaned over veranda railing. So they were just overlooking beach. So I think इसकी pic, you are able to look at the pic. Sadao and Hannah, they were just leaned over veranda railing. They were just overlooking beach. Now then what had happened? Then they had just noticed something black. They had just noticed something black. So now just look at this particular find. So they were just very surprised to observe that particular find. So जब उन्होंने देखा कि somebody was just there in that particular water. तो जब उन्होंने observe किया, they were very critical to look at that particular find. So they were able to observe that a strange creature washed ashore. I think you are crystal clear so far as the second main point of today's lecture is concerned. That is, Sadao and Hannah, they were enjoying their moments in nature. They were just leaned over veranda railing. They were observing the beach, and immediately they noticed something black. So, क्या था वो black? That was a strange creature was just there in that particular water. So, क्या हुआ आगे? Just look at the thing. We are just extending the same point. Point 2 of today is there. So उसके और point है अभी. You will have to note down each and every point to get every detail. So what had happened? You should be able to look at the things. So they were able to look at the things. और उन्होंने recognize किया कि somebody was there. क्या कर रहा था? वो किस state में था? He was just, they were able to recognize there's a man staggering on the shore. कि यहाँ पे कोई आदमी है, यानी कि वो staggering होता है to walk heavily. तो वो यानी किनारे पे ऐसे stagger कर रहा है. He was trying his best to look at the things, but he was not. क्योंकि वो खड़े होने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Again, he was not able to look at. He was not able to move. Because he was in injured state. So I think crystal clear up to this particular point that उन्होंने सोचा कि fisherman होगा. तो Hannah और Sadao was able to look at that particular point that I think must be a fisherman. कि जो water bodies होती हैं, fisherman जो होते हैं, वो frequent visit उनकी होती रहती है for their own purpose. So they thought that some fishermen would be there. So they were just looking at that particular thing. और बड़ी क्यूरियोसिटी से देखते हैं, फिर वो भाग के जाते हैं बीच देखने के लिए कि what is it. They were able to look at the thing. I think this particular point is complete right now. They were just enjoying their life in nature, but they were able to observe black, but they were able to look at the man who was trying his best to just stand up. He was just staggering hard to look at the thing. कोशिश कर रहा था पर चला नहीं जा रहा था. He was just not able to look at the proper walk. वो निकलने की कोशिश कर रहा था पानी से, पर it was not possible for him to look at due to his condition. तो automatically इन्होंने सोचा दोनों ने कि कुछ नहीं है, fisherman ही होगा कोई. फिर वो भाग के गए curious. They were curious to look at that particular fellow. So that is why they ran down to beach. They had just run down to beach. तो वो भाग के देखने गए कि देखे है कौन. Now I think you are crystal clear about second point for the day. Look at third point. Let us make pick of each and every point in your brain. Then only you will be able to understand the thing. So you have to look at the basic concepts. Then you are able to look at. Now they were just able to observe injured man. Was injured and unconscious. Unconscious, you should be able to look at the things. जब बेहोशी की हालत में कोई होता है that जो भाग के देखने गए बीच में पानी वाटर बॉडी में, तो उनको they were able to recognize that somebody was in injured state and he was unconscious also. तो उसकी जो ड्रेस कोड था तो उसके बड़े टेटर्ड क्लोथ, टेटर्ड होते हैं torn out. So you should be able to look at the things. He was in his tatters. तो फटे पुराने कपड़े उन्होंने पहने हुए थे. तो उस रोकी एरिया में was in critical state, injured, unconscious, and he was in tatters. They were able to observe that particular fellow. उन्होंने ध्यान से वहां पहुंचने के बाद they were able to observe कि ये कोई फिशरमैन नहीं है, जब कुछ कोई इंजर्ड पर्सनैलिटी है जो कि के कपड़े जो है वो फटे पुराने हैं. You were able to observe that particular point. If they had they wanted to recognize the things very keenly, तो उसकी आइडेंटिटी को कंफर्म करने के लिए they had taken the close look. हाँ तो थोड़ी दूरी से वो देख रहे थे ना, to identify that particular personality. They had tried their best to look at the things very keenly, very closely. उनको पता चला कि ये जो पर्सन है that is American prisoner of war. POW should be able to look at this particular point, American prisoner of war. Close look के बाद they were able to recognize the fact that that fellow was American prisoner of war. So next step. Already मैंने बताया ना कि base आपने पढ़ा होगा, you have seen the base of this particular story कि America and Japan, Second World War. So both were anti-groups, both were fighting against each other. So अब American prisoner of war देखने के बाद automatically things become very critical. पर उसका state देखा पहले, क्योंकि if Dr. Sadao was human being, even if he belonged to Japan, and even if was professional first, was doctor. Already I have told you, doctor is the second name of God. So क्या हुआ? Just look at the thing. देखा कि that fellow was in critical state, injured and wounded state. Was able to look at this particular point, and that fellow was bleeding profusely. होता है बड़ी जो बड़ा blood flow जो था, it was very high. डॉक्टर ने ऑब्जर्व किया कि he was sufferer of gunshot. क्योंकि उसको पता चल गया कि ये जख्म जो है किसी ने गोली मारी है, गन के कारण वो इंजर्ड हुआ. He was able to observe that particular fact. Then the next step, you should be able to recognize the down probes the wound. ध्यान से वो जख्म को चेक करता है, क्योंकि he was very fine surgeon, he was very fine doctor. Probes the wound means he was just looking at that particular wound very think closely and very I think vigilantly. पूरा ध्यान से देखता है कि जख्म कहाँ पे उसके, और फिर वो जहाँ से ब्लड फ्लो हो रहा होता है, he covers that particular area, वहाँ उस पे पैक कर देता है सीम्स के साथ. उसके पास उस टाइम किट नहीं होती, अपनी मेडिकल किट नहीं होती, पर पहला तो ये था ना कि उसकी ब्लीडिंग रोकनी है, और ब्लीडिंग रोकने के लिए he was able to look at the help of CMOS. CMOS क्या होता है? नॉन वैस्कुलर स्मॉल प्लांट्स को मोस कहा जाता है. नॉन वैस्कुलर छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं सी में, दैट इज कॉल्ड CMOS. उससे उसने जो उसका जहाँ पे जख्म था उसको कवर कर दिया, ताकि जो ब्लड फ्लो था वो रुक जाए, कम हो जाए, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा ब्लीडिंग हो रहा था. So that is why he had taken that particular first step. Then that particular, he was reading the condition of that particular prisoner of war. That fellow is in critical condition. Already I have repeated this particular point time and again. तो उसकी कंडीशन जो थी बहुत पैथेटिक थी, क्रिटिकल कंडीशन थी। तो अब ही वाज जस्ट डिस्कसिंग विद हिज वाइफ, है ना, कि यहाँ पे आप इसको इसी चैप्टर में आप उसको पढ़ोगे कि ये अपनी वाइफ से डिस्कस करते हैं, दोनों की डिस्कशन होती है कि पहले तो सोचते हैं कि इसको पानी में फेंक दिया जाए, कि अगर ये जापान को बिलोंग करते हैं, एक अमेरिकन को अपने घर में रख के या हेल्प कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब दे आर एनिमी ऑफ देयर ओन कंट्री। तो इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पहले पॉइंट में तो इनके मन में आता है कि इसको पानी में ही फेंक दिया जाए, लीव द थिंग्स। लेकिन डॉक्टर की कॉन्शियस अलाउ नहीं करता, वो ही वाज एबल टू लुक एट द थिंग इन अ वेरी 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 सिंसियर वे। तो वो क्लियर कर देता है कि इसकी कंडीशन ऐसी नहीं है कि इसको पानी में फेंक दिया जाए दोबारा। If he would be thrown in water, automatically he would die immediately. So if we are doctor by profession, it is our moral responsibility to save any human being. There's no right to look at the identity of that but any fellow. So this is the basic moral responsibility of any doctor. तो यहाँ पे पहले ऑलरेडी मैंने कहा ना कि उनके मन में आता है, they were discussing कि उसको फेंक दिया जाए दोबारा पानी में, क्योंकि वो डेंजरस था उनकी फैमिली के लिए, उनकी कंट्री के लिए, ऑटोमेटिकली उनके अपने रेपुटेशन के लिए, दैट वाज डेंजरस फेलो। लेकिन इस पॉइंट पे आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप देखिए, जो फोर्थ स्टेप है आज का, फोर्थ एपिसोड है, डॉक्टर सडाउ वाज इन डायलेमा। डायलेमा क्या होता है? शुड बी एबल टू लुक एट द थिंग्स, DILEMMA। डायलेमा में ऑलरेडी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था व्हाइल वी डिड इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर, while we are in critical state, when we are not able to take the decision in positive or negative way। जब हम किसी क्रिटिकल स्टेट में होते हैं, हम अफर्मेटिव में या नेगेटिव में डिसीजन लेने के लिए वो अपने आप को अपनी थिंकिंग पावर को यूज नहीं कर पाते, दैट इज डायलेमा। यहाँ पे डॉक्टर सडाउ वाज इन डायलेमा टू लुक एट द थिंग्स। तो क्यों? तो बेसिकली बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स उसके मन में आ रहे हैं कि if he would give shelter to that particular fellow, then it will be quite risky and maybe might be would be in jail also। कि अगर वो उस अमेरिकन प्रिजनर ऑफ वार को शेल्टर देता है, शेल्टर का मतलब अपने घर ले जाता है ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, ऑटोमेटिकली दैट फेलो वुड बी कॉट बाय पुलिस। तो कि देशद्रोही का स्टैंप लग सकता है उस पे कि क्यों उसने एक अमेरिकन को अपने घर में रखा हुआ है। तो ऑटोमेटिकली नेक्स्ट है, अगर वो उसको जेल में करवाता है, अगर वो पुलिस को कवर करके उसको प्रिजनर बनाता है, तो दैट फेलो वुड इमीडिएटली डाई। अगर वो सोचता है कि उस प्रिजनर ऑफ वार की कंप्लेंट गवर्नमेंट को करके, पुलिस को करके, तो उसको जेल में करवा दे, प्रिजन में करवा दे, he was 100% sure that he would die immediately। जेल में या प्रिजन में पहुंचने से पहले he would die because his condition was extremely critical। तो अब देखिए आगे अगला स्टेप, just look at the next step, just look at the next point। तो he was not able to think what to do and what not to do। I think you are crystal clear about dilemma। इस स्टेट पे उसके मन में बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं कि हाँ क्या इसको जेल भेज दें, क्या इसको यानी पहले विचार आया कि पानी में इसको दोबारा फेंक दिया जाए, फिर उसको बेसिकली हुआ कि मैं अगर इसको अपने घर लेके जाता हूँ तो क्या हो सकता है कि उसकी पूरी फैमिली को जेल हो सकती है, कि वो दे आर जस्ट अगेंस्ट द कंट्री दैट कैन बी, देयर रेपुटेशन लेवल विल बिकम जीरो ऑटोमेटिकली। तो उनको I think things become very negative for that particular fellow। So that is why he was in dilemma. Then what had happened? तो फिर दोबारा उनके मन में आता है कि चलो इसको पानी में, ऑलरेडी मैंने कह दिया कि they wanted to throw him into water. लेकिन आई थिंक द डॉक्टर वाज वेरी परफेक्ट प्रोफेशनल. इनमें से कोई भी वो स्टेप ले नहीं पाता. तो ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट ही वाज थिंकिंग, तो उसको होता है कि घर ले जाओ. He wanted to give shelter, he wanted to treat that particular fellow like a doctor. तो लेकिन उसके मन में एक और विचार आता है कि the servants will be able to observe. They were able to look at, he was able to think of the particular point कि जो servants will detect the things, क्योंकि उनको पता चल जाए, उसको लगता है कि servants को भेद हो जाएगा कि इस अमेरिकन को वो लेके आए हैं. They will be detected by servants. Then what had happened? और फिर उसने सोचा कि अगर सर्वेंट क्वेरी करेंगे भी तो सर्वेंट्स को वो क्लियर कर देगा कि उसको हमें उसको पुलिस को हम ऑलरेडी इसको रिपोर्ट करके पुलिस के पास भेज देंगे. तो ऑटोमेटिकली ही वाज एबल टू डिसाइड आंसर फॉर द क्वेरी ऑफ सर्वेंट्स. तो भी सोच रहा है, उसके मन में चल रहा है. तो ही वाज वेरी सेंसिबल डॉक्टर. सेंस ऑफ ड्यूटी मोटिवेटेड हिम to treat that particular fellow. क्योंकि एक डॉक्टर कभी स्टैंप नहीं देखता कि किस कंट्री का कोई फेलो है. एक डॉक्टर एक गॉड की तरह होता है ऑलरेडी. तो उसने he was a true doctor. मैं क्लियर कर चुकी हूँ कि उससे अच्छा प्रोफेशनल कोई भी नहीं था. जितने भी डॉक्टर्स थे जापान में, he was on the top. तो ऑटोमेटिकली what had happened? तो उसने कहा कि सर्वेंट्स पूछेंगे, वो कह देगा कि मेरी कोई इंटेंशन नहीं है इसको घर में रखने की. हम लोग जैसे ही ये थोड़ा ठीक होता है इसको रिपोर्ट कर देंगे पुलिस को, पुलिस में टेक है. तो ऑटोमेटिकली नेक्स्ट स्टेप, तो उसने अपने घर ले आता है. इतनी ज्यादा थिंकिंग के बाद, इतने ज्यादा पॉइंट्स जब उसके मन में आते हैं, तो अल्टीमेट उसका जो प्रोफेशन होता है उसको मोटिवेट करता है. उसका प्रोफेशन जो होता है उसको इंस्पायर करता है कि नहीं, ये एक पेशेंट है मेरे लिए. So that he considered his moral responsibility to save that particular fellow at any cost. So he had brought that fellow to his home. वो अपने घर में उसको लेके आ जाता है. तो कहाँ पे उसको क्या करता है? He was able to look at the things. इस जहाँ पे देखोगे उसको skeletal यूज किया गया है क्योंकि he was very weak. He had become very weak due to injury and what not. तो अपने घर में जो उनके पापा का कमरा होता है, क्योंकि पापा वाज नो मोर, पापा की डेथ हो चुकी होती है उनके, तो अपने जो पापा का रूम होता है वहां पे उसको शेल्टर देते हैं. दे हैड गिवन द शेल्टर, वही उसका ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं. तो चाहे वो कितना गंदा होता है, उसकी कपड़े कितने गंदे होते हैं, वाज ब्लीडिंग बैडली, फिर भी उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से वो ट्रीट करते हैं. बहुत अच्छी सी सिल्कन क्विल्ट देते हैं, बड़ा अच्छा सा बेड देते हैं. सिल्कन क्विल्ट होती है जो रजाई होती है. He was able to look at the thing. He was treated very finely by that particular fellow. Next step is you have to look at the next step. So far as next step is concerned, तो यहाँ पे your crystal clear dilemma में था. He had thought number of point to look at that particular fellow, and ultimately the basic sense of duty had motivated him to bring that particular POW to his home. He was given shelter in his father's room. Automatically he was treated very finely. Now the next step, doctor को पता था कि he would be in the requirement of operation. He would take next step in a very sincere order. I think crystal clear up to this particular point. So if we look at the next point, यहाँ पे आप देखोगे इस स्टेप पे जो अगला एपिसोड है, सर्वेंट्स रिएक्शन. और वो जैसे ही वो अपने घर पे लेके जाता है POW को, जस्ट लुक एट द रिएक्शन ऑफ सर्वेंट्स. तो ऑटोमेटिकली सर्वेंट्स बिकेम इरिटेटेड. तो वो बहुत इरिटेट हो जाते हैं सर्वेंट्स. तो they were just very negative to look at the action of their master. डॉक्टर सडाओ के एक्शन को बहुत ज्यादा वो नेगेटिव लेते हैं, कहते हैं कि ये अमेरिका में रह के आया ना, इसलिए he is helping this particular fellow. So automatically they were able to look at this particular point a very different way. तो ओल्ड गार्डनर होता है, वो इल्जाम लगाता है कि ये इसलिए इस व्हाइट मैन की हेल्प करने चाहता है, डॉक्टर सडाओ करना चाहते हैं उसकी हेल्प, बिकॉज once he used to reside in America. Then the old gardener feels that if the master healed the American, the gun and the sea would take revenge on them. तो इस पॉइंट को भी वो गार्डनर जो है बड़ा ऑर्थोडॉक्स टाइप का होता है, सुपरस्टिशियस टाइप की नेचर होती है उसकी, कहते हैं कि अगर डॉक्टर सडाओ अमेरिकन प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर का ट्रीटमेंट करता है और ट्रीटमेंट के बाद उसको ठीक कर देता है, तो सी और गन दोनों उससे बदला लेंगे. He would be of no fear. तो जो ओल्ड गार्डनर है उसके व्यू पॉइंट्स है कि अगर डॉक्टर उसको ट्रीट करके अच्छा कर भी देता है, he would be taken negatively. So he would take different action and gun would take different action. So he wanted to highlight his viewpoint. यहाँ गार्डनर कह रहे हैं कि अगर डॉक्टर सडाओ ने ट्रीटमेंट करके उसको ठीक कर दिया, his own life would be in danger. Sea and gun would take revenge. तो बदला लेंगे कि तुमने इसके अपने देश के अगेंस्ट प्ले करके इसको क्यों बचाया. ऑटोमेटिकली, क्योंकि यहाँ एक और ऑर्थोडॉक्स प्रिंसिपल भी जुड़ा हुआ है. If we look at the thing, P was against him and gun was against him. गन से उसको किसी ने गोली मारी थी, POW को, और समुद्र में वो था. Even C was not favoring that particular fellow. तो यहाँ पे ये गार्डनर ये कहना चाहता है, जो उनके घर में गार्डनर था डॉक्टर सडाओ के, he wanted to highlight that particular point. If he would be successfully able to deal or treat that particular POW, his along with his family would be in danger, because gun and sea would take revenge. बदला लेंगे गन और सी. He was looking at that particular viewpoint. So servants became very irritated to look at that particular action of Dr. Sadao. यानी I think crystal clear, जैसे घर में लेके गया, action and reaction of servants were different. And old gardener had just interpreted the things in very different order. He had given his viewpoint in a very negative way. Now just look at the next point for today. अब उसको ऑपरेशन की जरूरत थी, तो यहाँ पे was discussing with his wife. चैप्टर में पढ़ोगे, you will look at that particular fellow. तो यहाँ पे Hannah would give the guideline that Yumi will take care. Yumi जो होती है उनके घर में एक गवर्नेंस होती है, तो कहते कि she would be able to wash the wounds of that particular fellow. कि जो उसके जख्म है उसको वो धो देगी. तो पर जब उसको कहा गया, यूमी had said no. बिल्कुल वॉलंटरी नेगेटिव में आंसर दिया कि he could not be able to handle that particular assignment. क्लियर कर दिया कि मैं ये असाइनमेंट नहीं करूंगी. Then what had happened? Just look at the things. सर्वेंट्स को काफी समझाया कि नहीं, कि कुछ देर के लिए जैसे ये ठीक होगा ऑटोमेटिकली he would be sent out. अपने घर में रखने की इंटेंशन से नहीं लेके आए, सिर्फ इसको ट्रीटमेंट देने के लिए लेके आए हैं. बट सर्वेंट्स वर नॉट एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज. जब मैंने बिगनिंग में कैरेक्टर बताया था सर्वेंट्स का, I told you people that they were not in the habit of thinking properly. They were forced to think in a narrow way. Narrow thinking थी उनकी, बड़ी negative thinking thing, so that is why they were not able to understand that particular fact. Then what happened? Just look at the thing. जैसे यूमी इनकार कर देती है, she was giving response in negative कि मेरे बस का काम नहीं है इसके wounds को धोना, wash करना. इस स्टेज पे Hannah would be there to help Dr. Sadao. She was ready to help Dr. Sardao. So, just look at the thing. She washes. She was ever ready to wash the wounds. She had washed the wounds. यूमी का नर्स का काम जो था उसने किया, जबकि उसको मेडिकल फील्ड की बिल्कुल नॉलेज नहीं थी. She was not in the knowledge of medical field. Still, she did the things in a very serious order. She washed the wounds. She helped Dr. Sadao. So automatically she had taken the nursing assignment of that particular fellow in her hands. जितना जो नर्स काम करती हैं डॉक्टर्स के साथ, she did. So this is all for today. During next lecture, we will be in continuity. Any doubt, any query, you just write to make queries. I think time says that we should close today's lecture. Thank you. Thanks a lot for today.